fast at home vertical bar lean belly breakthrough system. Start exercising. Exercise combined with a low-calorie diet will support and speed up weight loss by burning calories and increasing your metabolism. Including regular cardiovascular activity can help you lose weight and decrease your belly fat. Running, hiking, biking, and swimming are all examples of calorie-burning cardio exercises. Aim to get at least 30 minutes of aerobic exercise 5 times a week for a modest benefit. If you don't want to exercise every day, then find ways to incorporate more movement into your daily routine. Get in the habit of taking the stairs rather than the elevator, parking farther away from your destination, and using a standing desk. It is especially important to exercise if you work a sedentary desk job. Include regular strength training. As you age, it may be harder to reduce the amount of belly fat. This is partially due to the natural decrease in lean muscle mass as you age, but also because you begin to store more fat around your midsection. Maintaining lean muscle mass can help prevent this. Include at least 2 days of 20 to 30 minutes of strength or resistance training each week. Strength training exercises include free weights, weight classes, using weight machines, or doing yoga. Include whole body exercises. Spot training or focusing only on exercises like crunches and planks may help strengthen your core, but do not reduce belly fat. Toning and strength training exercises build lean muscle mass, but don't decrease fat stored around your midsection. Focus on overall weight loss. Modify your diet and include appropriate amounts of cardio. Then begin incorporating abdominal workouts into your routine to tone your midsection. Find an exercise buddy. Having somebody to accompany you on your workouts can make exercise feel more enjoyable. Studies have shown you're more likely to keep a scheduled workout and work out more often if you're going with a friend. If you are a competitive person, it may be fun to race with your weight loss buddy to see who can reach their goal weight first.